Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, January 14th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. First of all, in math, we've got practice 6.2. Also, remember, we need to complete 30 minutes of Moby Max during school, whether you do that before school or we do it during Warrior Time. And as a reminder, there will be no Warrior Time on Thursday and Friday, as we will be participating in another activity. In science, there is no homework. However, you do have a self quiz on Friday. In social studies, our Valley of the Kings tour guide, that is due tomorrow. That is done via Google Classroom. In language arts, there is no homework as our memory box presentations continue on. And last but not least, in literature, 1 week from today, our first day back after being off from Martin Luther King weekend, half of your AR points for the third quarter are due. Also taking a look, extra credit in Mrs. Music's CNL class is due by 3 p.m. on Friday. That's going to be it for this Tuesday. Everyone, have a fantastic evening.